Ambaho ahamukoro ogwo kurundana sente ezo kubasa kugura echoma echo kutibwa mu irwaro Elia Ruharo Mission Hospital. Dr. Medard Bitekerezo yagambira abashaho okubine kumanya ngu bine kureba ngu bakwata kurungi abarwire abo kushanga ngu obwa hata abarwire bingi batandikire kutino mu marwariro abo kushanga ngu abashaho nibabatwariza kubi.
For the health workers, most of the doctors like me here, treat patients with humility and compassion. Once a patient comes to you in pain and the patient leaves with a smile, I'm telling you, you have done your work. We cannot put money to be on the forefront of everything. We should think about making people very comfortable and very, but we should save lives of people in totality so that we can remember to bring that one. And I believe that Ruharo is moving towards achieving that one, and we shall be there. I thank you.
Ogu yayongera yahabura abashaho okureka okugumanibanoga abarwire ngo abo ko murimo gubari gukora bakagushemerera.
Hati nzenda kuzo mu yandi nyine iyo mugwire wenyine afite ibiro nabara zo kucera no mwishuri dokta iza tuyu uresimure onabe nesabuni umuryo tsanga ivere mato nacheteje ibitoro kafutambi umufundisha kato nyenza karaga bwo kubaza kuretera nekuko cyari kituko.
Dr. Medard Bitekerezo aha yarabura n'abazarisa ari kugira ngo eshonge mpangeretsira abakazi bayanga kuzarira mu marwariro unabo kushanga ngo abashaho ni babagambira kubi ngo bakana kubagambira mutubo babatumire okugirenda
tinga kintu kibi umugwire kuzamirwariro bishop bakamureba sese because don't expect every patient to be very courteous to you because umuntu yayino busasi nagamba nitagamba. When doctors and nurses, you should be so bright enough to treat everybody who comes there as a patient. They all come back in
Bitogu yasima abebembezi abo bureberezwa ankore abo kufayo bakakora imirimo mingi otireho na no kutandikaho amarwariro. Ogu yayongera yagira ngo naija kukozesa amanige okureba ngo bayongera okugira obuyambi obubahereza abirwariro Elia Ruharo.
Anana gumwe nekumita kasima abo mukoro mwatkolera kugira ngo tondeke irwariro gitu. We are forever grateful. God bless you.
Omukugamba kwe Bishop w'obureberezi obwa Ankore yagambira abantu ngo bine kukimanya ngo bwa hati amarwarira agabaterireho okubasa kubayamba na no kureba ngo babasa okubaragurira niko kushaba ngo abarwire bagume bije batungo bujanjabi.
Yensa kora arwari nango irenezo kuza ubundi na India na America konka hariho orukuza kutambira chomecho hatuwo ino mutima ogukufayo kwera abandi niwe noza ku extendinga support bakwe konko nizo nabasabe okushaniswa nabo busingi obu ningoberahi ningi ya muchi nikiza kumpwera kita yoshikanye n'irwaro ryanjye rikora guza kokaro ndijo obunda atari kubasa kwikarengo hataho tureke kushaniswa nabo businje obu tureke kushaniswa nabo businje obu omu Uganda bakukiro bwingi no musiyona abantu naenda ekyakulyamu ekyari kubasa kugira ekiyatamu yareba ngo tayine kyakuza kuyiramu direct tayine kakwate nazo.
Hamkorogu harundanwa sente eziri kurengo muri miliyoni 200 eziriho buriho ahamwe na nezo koraganisa
izo beri harga miliyoni 200 twenda kubasima cash and pledges so ntwesigango nkuko ya heza gamba x-ray yahwiri
cheka cyo kubanza itsamakura genshonga